What you're watching is the VIP envelope feeder in action. What we're doing here today is we're going to show you we're going from a number 10 envelope to a 5 by 3 5/8 envelope to a 6 by 9 envelope to a catalog envelope, and again back to a number 10 envelope. And you'll see how easy it is to change over the VIP envelope feeder. Right now we've finished 20 of the window envelopes. We remove the stack. Remove the envelopes that are in transit very easily. We take a single 5 by 3 5/8 envelope, line it up on our scale. We have a front side guide, our rear side guide. Slide the envelope in position. Back kick roller, we are ready to run. We'll go ahead and load up. Turn on our feeder. Send the file over. That quickly, we're into the next job. Those are 5 by 3 5/8 envelopes. With that job finished, we'll go to our larger envelopes. Once again, remove the existing envelopes on transit. Take our single envelope, again lay it on our register table. This happens to be an A7 envelope. Once again, front side guide, rear side guide. Slide the envelope in position. At this point we'll slide these rollers back. And we are ready for this size envelope. Very quick, very simple changeover. And through all this, we're not using our back gate at all. We do have a back guide if necessary. But rarely do we need it with this design. We have a very unique feed system, unlike anything that's on the market. Very forgiving, very easy to operate. I'll show you more on that in a short time here. We only have a single belt on this machine, therefore there's no operational effort to change belt sizes or positions. Again, we're finished with this job. Once again, we remove our envelopes. Next job, 10 by 13 catalogs. What we do with the catalog envelopes is we remove our 2 front feed rollers. We no longer need them for this application. Once again, we bring it in position. We have a front guide and our back guide. Once in position, we move our rollers to the back of the envelope as before. Take our stack of envelopes, load them in the back. In this case, again, we don't need the back guide. We'll actually drop it out of position here. I got ahead of myself. can see we went from number 10 envelope to a 5 by 3 and 5/8 envelope to a 7 by 5 envelope, a 7 envelope, and now to a 10 by 13 catalog envelope. The beauty of the VIP feeder is it does not interface with the OKI data in any way. When this is finished, we will pull this away and show you how easy it pulls in and out from the machine. Job finished. Now, to remove the machine or feeder from the printer, just slide it back and out. That simple. Now, as you've noticed from the beginning, we do have a gap control here that we can change from envelope to envelope. But just to show you how forgiving this system is, what we have here is some 18-point chipboard. Without making any changes other than the side guides, once again, we'll lay this in, bring our side guides in, back guide in. Now this is way too heavy for the printer to handle, but just to prove a point, we're not changing any of our gap sets on the machine. We turn the machine back on, and now we're feeding chipboard. It's that simple, as fast as we can pull it away. Again, this is for other applications our feeder is good for, so if you're feeding into a UV coater or taping type machine, you can see we feed chipboard very, very well without changing any of our settings. So again, it's a very forgiving system. We actually have 4 separator systems in this system, higher than any other company on the market. And now if I choose to run more envelopes, I would just slide our feeder back into position, drop it down. I'm going to go back to our window number 10s. Again, drop it in the machine, line it up on the 10-inch mark, put our 2 rollers back in position. Bring our side guides in. Bring our envelope down into position. Set our back roller. And load our envelopes up. Now we're processing the next job. So we think we've made a very simple machine, very simple design, very easy to operate, and you can see very fast. So there you have the VIP envelope feeder. If you have any questions, just get on our website, vipfeeder.com. Thank you for listening.